Hey guys, happy Sunday. I just got back from church and I'm about to make a Nigerian dish known as jollof rice, and I'm also going to prepare boiler chicken with it. That's had chicken or whatever, but it's a tougher chicken than like the chicken sold here in the United Kingdom. Anyways, I'm going to cook it and I'm going to try and attempt to carry you guys along while I'm cooking, and I'm gonna try and see if I can include this in like my space as well. So yeah, let's see. Anyways, let's go. So what I do is I wash my hands, just pop some soap and wash my hands and grab a bowl, put a bowl in there and open the chicken. The chicken came in this little bag and everything, so yeah, open it up, put it in there. I'm just gonna rinse it and like wash it, and I've got like a little pot, so I put it inside a little pot and everything. So guys, so I've now got the chicken in a little pot and I'm just going to transfer it over to the hob. So guys, this has got Maggi, onions, curry powder, salt, got ginger and everything. So it's cooking. I'm going to cover it till, you know, boil and cook and everything, and then move on to the rice. So guys, for the rice, I've already measured the amount of rice that I want. I'm just washing my hands yet again. The rice is in here, as you can see, and I'm just going to put it in there and just rinse it out a little bit. So the way I rinse my rice 3 times to get rid of like all the stuff and everything. So I rinse it out 3 times just to get rid of all of that. Not sure if you guys can see that water. So yeah, just get rid of all of that. And I rinse it again. Until you can rinse it out however amount you want, to be fair. It depends on you. It depends on how, you know, you want to do it. But I generally do it 3 times. So now that the rice is rinsed and everything, I'll just leave it in the sink and move on to the pot for the rice. I've got some oil and some onions in this pan. Excuse me. So I've got oil and onions in this pan. I'm just waiting for it to sizzle up a bit, and then I'm gonna add some blended pepper inside. Basically atta. I'm gonna add some atta inside it. And yeah, so for this I'm gonna need the salt, the curry powder, the ginger, and I'm gonna need Maggi as well. And I'm also gonna put some crushed chili and stuff like that, mixed herbs, everything. And I'm also gonna use this tomato passata and everything. Oh, one thing I forgot to put inside the chicken, which I'm going to put in now, is the mixed herbs. So I'm just going to put some mixed herb into it, guys. I'm just going to start adding all the seasoning in and everything. So first goes in the Maggi. Oh gosh. And then in goes the mixed herbs. A little bit, not too much, just so we don't like overwhelm it, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more. And then I'm gonna add in my crushed chili, as much as I can get out of here. So yes, and then I'm just gonna put some ginger inside. Did I stick that? Oh, fantastic. So yeah, some ginger, and then I'm gonna add curry powder, salt, and everything. So anyways, I'm just gonna add all the seasoning in and I'll check in. Alright guys, so I've added all the seasoning in place. I'm just gonna mix that all around and let everything kind of cook in with it. And everybody kind of prefers jollof rice differently, but this is just how I prefer it. So guys, if you do it a little bit different, that's calm, that's okay. This is just how I do it. Okay, anyway, so I'm just gonna let that continue to simmer a little bit before I now add in the rice and everything. I'm actually also gonna add the passata in now, just so it gets all the flavor and everything. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of it in, not too much, just a little bit. There we go, so that all that flavor can go in. So I learned to put passata in my jollof rice from my mum. It's something that she does, so obviously I kind of got, you know, I watched her cook and everything before I started getting into cooking and everything, so I kind of learned some stuff from her, but at the same time I like to experiment. So yeah, anyways, she puts passata in our jollof rice and damn, yeah. So I learned from her, I learned from my mom to put passata in jollof rice. Some people don't, some people do. I learned it from my mom. So yes, so I'm just gonna chill right now. Everything is kind of like boiling and everything and cooking and all of that. Yeah, so the next step for the jollof rice will be to add the rice into it, and which I'll do in like about literally after this chat, this little whatever this is, this little clip, I'm gonna, yeah, add the rice into it and everything. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and make sure to go like that, go like it, go and like it. Yes, make sure to like the video, guys. So yeah, let's get right back into the video. In the rice, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in it, and then I'm gonna mix everything together. Just a little bit of water, not too much, and then I'll kind of gauge as we go. And then we mix everything in. And I'm actually using basmati rice and everything. And yeah, what I do as well for my jollof rice, I'm actually going to get some cling film and cling film the lid and everything, and then close it. I just find that it helps the rice cook a little bit faster, and it helps everything, like it keeps the flavor in and everything. So that's what I'm just going to do, and then I'm just going to leave it to simmer, guys. So guys, the rice is officially done. And also the chicken is also done. So what I did is I fried the chicken a little bit, and I just, you know, put it inside some sauce and just did a little marinating and everything. So yeah, that's it. Some little garnishing or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's it. And I'm just going to serve this all for the family, and I'll show you what it looks like on the plate. Anyway guys, so here's how it looks on the plate, all served up. Delicious. I'm about to go to town. Everyone's about to go to town on this. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Catch you all later. Bye.